What's up guys, this is Professor Spawn. In the last tutorial we have seen the introduction to a Java. In this tutorial we are going to see about what happens when you compile and execute a code, right? Before we go into the development part, we should really know that what are the core concepts or what are the core components involved inside a Java, right? So if you could see on the screen, there is a block of sequence of operations happening, right? I have written here as a Java program, and then we have a sequence of blocks, and then finally I have an output. So basically this actually tells what happens when you write a code in a file till the output is shown to you, right? So basically the first block is a Java program. This is where you are going to create a file where you are going to write your Java program, and it has an extension of .java. With the help of Java compiler here, it is converted into this Java bytecode, right? So this Java bytecode is independent of the platform, and because of this very fact, Java is a platform independent language, and Java supports the core principle of write once, run anywhere. And this Java bytecode is converted into the machine code, which is readable by the CPUs, and this is done with the help of JVM, which is Java Virtual Machine, right? And after it is converted into the machine code, this machine code runs on the CPUs, and you have the output, right? So there is a two-step compilation, right? The first, your Java program is converted into an intermediate code, which is Java bytecode, and then this Java bytecode is converted into a machine code, and this machine code runs on CPU to give you an output. Now we have seen here this jargon of JVM, right? What is a JVM? So JVM is nothing but a Java virtual machine, and it's an abstract machine that enables your computer to run a Java program. And this JVM resides inside a Java runtime environment, which is called as JRE, right? So what is JRE? JRE is a software package that provides Java class libraries, or along with Java class libraries, it has a JVM, Java virtual machine, and other components that are required to run applications. So JRE can be thought of as a superset of JVM. JVM resides inside JRE along with the class libraries. If you need to run the Java program, JRE is a must. You should have JRE to run the Java program. But what about if you want to develop the Java program? So there is a separate component which is called as JDK, and it's pronounced as Java Development Kit, right? So a Java Development Kit is a software package or a software development kit required to develop applications in Java. Along with developing, you can also debug your Java program with the help of this JDK. So when you download JDK and install it, it ships with the JRE as well. So what is the relationship between the JDK and JRE and the other components? So JRE has JVM, and JRE is resides into this JDK, which is called as Java Development Kit, right? Along with JRE, JDK has compilers and debuggers to run the code, right? So if you want to develop Java application, you need to download the JDK. So the task for you in this tutorial is to go to the Google and download JDK 1.8 from the Oracle website. So from the next tutorial, we are going to start with developing the Java application. I'm not going to walk you through the installation process of JDK, right? So I'm giving you a task to install the JDK, and if you have any problems or your issue arises in your machine, you can just post that on a forum or on a comment, right? So till then, goodbye.